Here we are asked that for what values of x these three numbers are in GP. So that means GP means this is A1, this is simply A1R or simply AR. This will be A1R square. So A1R square will be equal to minus 2 by 7 is A again. A into R square is equal to minus 2 by 7. So for what values of x the numbers are in GP, or we can simply say x will be the geometric mean of these both numbers. So minus 2 by 7 into minus 2 by 7, which is again minus 2 by 7 or 2 by 7. So x can be both minus 2 by 7 or 2 by 7. For this both values it's done. So I'll just show you that it can be shown in another. This is by finding geometric mean. I try to show that. Here I'll try to find the R value. So R can be equal to square root of 1, which is equal to plus or minus 1. So AR, which is x is equal to AR, can be two values, which will be minus 2 by 7 and 2 by 7. Because here I'll take plus 1, R equal to, here I'll take R equal to minus 1, R equal to plus 1. That's, we'll get it.